Big tech isn't slowing down. Google just dropped a major update to AI mode that could change how we work with documents, images, and even live video. Imagine uploading an image or a long PDF, asking questions and instantly getting clear answers cross-referenced with the web. That's not a future promise, it's rolling out now. Starting this week, desktop AI mode can process images the same way mobile already does. And in the coming weeks, you'll be able to upload PDFs, whether it's course material, work reports, or long research papers. Instead of drowning in information, you can ask for summaries, drill down with follow-up questions, and get direct links to sources for deeper dives. And it doesn't stop there. Google is testing a new Canvas feature in AI Mode Labs. Think of it like a smart side panel that grows as you do more research. Planning a trip? AI Mode can build you an itinerary in Canvas, then refine it as you add more questions, and you can step away and return to it anytime. It's a workspace that actually adapts to how you think. On mobile, AI Mode Search Live just leveled up with video input. Open Lens, tap the live icon, and now your camera isn't just seeing, it's explaining. Point it at a math problem, a confusing diagram, or a tricky concept, and you can ask AI to solve it or break it down. And on Chrome, Google is adding a new drop-down in the address bar called Ask Google about this page. Whether you're on a PDF or a website, AI Mode will generate a clean overview in a side panel with a Dive Deeper button to help you interrogate any part of the page. This is Google's play to make AI not just a chatbot, but an interactive research assistant that lives across your workflow. If you're finding this useful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'd love to hear how you'd use these updates in your work. And don't click away yet. Check out the related video in the corner for more on how AI is reshaping the way we work and learn.